Are you interested in creating an Instagram Reel template that others can use to create amazing content? Hello, my name is Emily from Online Help Guide, and in this tutorial, I will guide you step by step on how to create a Reel template. Let's get started. First, open Instagram. Tap on the plus icon at the bottom. Go to Reel. There are two simple requirements to make a reel. First, the video should have a music, and second, there should be 3 or more clips. Since I already have a draft reel made, I am tapping on it. After you select the clips that you like, go to Next. Now, tap on Advanced Settings. Here, make sure you have the Don't Let Others Use This Reel as Template option turned off. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, do subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.